So welcome back to What Gear Reviews, and today I'm going to be looking at the official OnePlus 6 3D tempered glass screen protector. And if you have a OnePlus 6, you probably already know that it comes with quite a flimsy thin one, and actually this screen protector has actually saved me once already. There's a scratch right here at the top and it's about time for me to change it. And if you're thinking about taking off the screen protector that comes with the phone, then it is inevitable. Inevitable.
Inevitable.
It's what?
Inevitable.
It is inevitable that at some point you are going to scratch this thing, so you're going to want to shop around for screen protectors. Now I can recommend some, but quite honestly the official one must be the best. Well, I'm about to find out, so let me be the judge of that, and let's have a look at this thing. Alright, so here we have the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6 official screen protector. Let's open this thing up. So inside here we've got the cleaning cloth, nicely presented. We've got a little squeegee here to get the bubbles out, and it looks like this could be a little sticker to get the dust off the screen. So this is really nicely presented. I actually bought one of these for the OnePlus 5T as well, and it was very similar to this. So this should literally just rest on the phone. The only problem I have here is doing this from behind camera is not as easy as doing it without a camera. So there we go, that's on there really nicely. I don't see any bubbles yet. Just gonna let it do its thing for a bit. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's loads of bubbles under there right now. I'm going to use the squeegee and try and get them out. I think putting a bit of pressure on there as well is going to help as well. But yeah, it's going to take me a little while to do this. Alright, I'm not going to lie to you guys, it took me about 5 minutes of ironing the bubbles out of here with my finger and with the squeegee to get this thing on. But now it's on, I can understand completely why they called it 3D tempered glass. It actually looks like the screen is a bit more 3D, and it's really cool. I'm really impressed with this one, I must say. I've tried a lot of screen protectors for various phones, and this one actually looks like part of the phone with the black edges and everything, and actually maybe even improves the look of the screen just a little bit. So I really like this one at this point. So the question you're probably wondering, is this the finest OnePlus 6 screen protector known to mankind? And do you know what? It just might be. And I would highly recommend this one for sure. And if you guys want to check it out, you can follow the link below this video. And there's some other brands out there that I really like when it comes to screen protectors. And one of them is Elixir. If you want to check those guys out, I got some links below this video. And also the Whitestone Dome, which is a really unique one. It actually uses a UV light to sort of cure the glue onto the screen, and it's actually more expensive than the official one. So if you guys want to check that one out, follow the links below this video. I really like this, and remember, if you spend a lot of money on a smartphone, then you better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
You better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
So that's it for this quick What Gear review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're looking for the finest OnePlus 6 screen protector known to man, I think this is it. And if you want to check out the other stuff I mentioned, check it out. That stuff's also awesome, and you guys are awesome for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, so don't be late.
Inevitable.
One more time?
Inevitable! Things are inevitably going to change.